In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add pictures to hidden album on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app, and if you would like to hide some pictures from your main camera roll, you can easily do so. If you would like to hide just a single picture, long press on it, then tap at Hide and hide again. That will move the photo to the hidden album. If you would like to hide multiple pictures at once, you can easily do so in that way. Just tap at three dots and then tap at Hide and hide again. Now guys, how we can find hidden album? To do that, go to Albums, then scroll down to the very bottom, and that's where we can find it. Here, all our hidden photos are stored. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.